My name is Zoe Smith, and I'm Head of Postgraduate Programmes in Music at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama, and I'm also a piano player. The MMUS course is designed for students coming from a music background who are interested in developing specialisms. These could be in performance as a soloist, orchestral or operatic performer, and also in composition, conducting, or as a collaborative artist. It's really designed to help you develop the associated specialisms that go with those areas of interest and help you to enter the profession. You can take control and shape it to reflect your interests and passions so that you've really established a clear pathway into the profession.
I've been able to tailor my experience by really leaning into the things that make me the musician I am, which is contemporary music, chamber music, and also orchestral performance. And I've had so many wonderful opportunities to work with the symphony orchestra, the chamber winds ensemble, and also as a soloist in my own right.
The college is a welcoming environment and every student is treated as an individual. Within the MMUS, we've embedded strands of supporting activity, supplementary short courses that enable you to develop your own professional toolkit. These will also go towards helping you establish yourself as an emerging artist with the support of career development strategies, how you deal with tax and finance, social media, for example, and this all helps you to develop a sustainable professional career. In addition, you can do a short period of study abroad with one of our many partner institutions, and this is supported by funding from the Welsh Government's Tithe scheme. There are huge amounts of performances available, both as soloist, in chamber ensembles or in larger ensembles, and that's as part of the college's own performance programme in its venues or externally. You also have regular performance classes within your department which allow you to practice performance in a masterclass format. For composers, there's a fantastic set of supporting classes within the department, and then you have the opportunity to write for soloists, for chamber groups, and for larger ensembles within college, as well as for the college drama productions. We have our David Seligman Opera School for those advancing in their operatic careers. They benefit from our relationship with Welsh National Opera and the BBC Cardiff Singer of the World competition. Our teaching staff includes internationally renowned artists, many of whom still work professionally across the globe. And if you're on the orchestral performance programme, then you have regular sit-ins, side-by-side schemes with both Welsh National Opera and the BBC National Orchestra of Wales. And those opportunities are unmatchable by any other UK conservatoire.
Studying MMUS at Royal Welsh College has been a really exciting time for me. I've been involved in a number of performance classes, which I get to play whatever rep I want in front of my peers with a piano accompaniment or just by myself. And this has helped me develop my confidence and my skills as a player. I've also been involved with a number of placements with Welsh National Opera and BBC National Orchestra of Wales. I have also had the opportunity to play in concerts with Welsh National Opera with their opera gala and their conductors showcase.
So everyone here on staff at the Royal Welsh College is a specialist in their own right. Your one-to-one tutor may well be a principal player with the BBC National Orchestra of Wales, such as Leslie Hatfield or Alice Neary, and your vocal tutor could well be a leading opera soloist, such as Geoffrey Lloyd-Roberts or Anne Mason. The guest artists who come as part of our performance programme will also teach you in masterclass scenarios. So you have a chance to rub shoulders with people who are doing what you might want to be doing and start to create your own networks that will serve you as you thrive in the profession. The learning environment is highly supportive. You have access to your one-to-one tutor on a regular basis, and you have termly meetings with your head of department to talk about your progress. We also have a fantastic student services team who can support postgraduate students either on a one-off basis or more long-term with regular meetings. Cardiff is an international city. It's one of the most affordable places to study in the UK. On the MMUS, we welcome students from all across the world, and that creates a really fun and exciting learning environment. We look forward to welcoming you to the college sometime soon to find out for yourself.